So today is Sunday, November 2nd, and it's Papa's birthday today, and we're getting ready for church. And Thomas has been crying for about half hour because I won't give him any candy, and I won't let him open up Papa's birthday present. If you can see his eyes, they're completely swollen from crying, and he's been rolling his face all in dog hair. Can you see the dog hair and the dirt all over? Because he was in the basement on the steps, rolling his face in the steps. Are you done crying? Half hour of this. I finally left and went upstairs and took a shower. And he's still downstairs screaming and crying. Are you ready to go take a shower and go get ready for church? Because we need to go for Papa's birthday. Are you ready to go see Papa? What do you want? Are you done? Okay, well, I'm going to go upstairs and finish getting ready for church. Are you going to come with me? No, are you just going to stay down here and cry? Joseph's upstairs getting ready for church. You want to go see Joseph? Do you want to go see Joseph upstairs? Okay. Well, I'm going to get ready and go upstairs and go to church. I'll see you later. You want me to pick you up? Okay, I'll pick you up. I'm glad you're done crying.